Welcome back. Today we are making Turkish grilled turkey Şiş Kebabs, with a yogurt tomato marinade that keeps the turkey juicy and gives it that smoky kebab shop flavor at home. This recipe serves 4 and takes about 1 hour and 35 minutes, including marinating time. Let's walk through the ingredients before we start. 2 pounds boneless skinless turkey breast gives us lean, tender kebab pieces that soak up the marinade beautifully. 1 cup plain whole milk yogurt is the base of the marinade, helping tenderize the turkey and carry the spices. 2 tablespoons tomato paste add deep color, savory sweetness, and a classic Turkish kebab flavor. 3 tablespoons olive oil are split between the marinade and the grill pan, adding richness and helping the kebabs brown. 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice brighten the marinade and balance the richness of the yogurt. For cloves, garlic bring the savory backbone that makes the grilled turkey smell incredible. 1 1/4 teaspoons kosher salt season the turkey and give the onion salad a little sparkle. 1 teaspoon ground cumin adds warm, earthy depth to the kebab marinade. 1 teaspoon sweet paprika gives the turkey a gentle red color and mild peppery sweetness. 1 teaspoon biber or Aleppo pepper adds gentle heat and fruity Turkish pepper flavor without overwhelming the turkey. 1 teaspoon dried oregano gives a familiar herb note that works beautifully with grilled meat. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper adds a clean, sharp finish to the marinade. 2 red bell peppers bring sweetness, color, and a little char between the turkey pieces. 2 medium red onions do double duty, with 1 going onto the skewers and 1 becoming the bright Sumac Onion Salad. 1 tablespoon sumac gives the onion salad its tangy, lemony Turkish flavor. 1/4 cup chopped flat leaf parsley makes the onion salad fresh, green, and lively. We begin by cutting the turkey breast into 1 1/2 inch cubes, then patting the pieces dry so the marinade clings instead of sliding off. Now that the turkey is ready, combine 1 cup plain whole milk yogurt, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 4 grated garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon biber, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper in a mixing bowl. Stir until the marinade turns smooth and evenly orange-red, with no streaks of plain yogurt left. Add all the turkey cubes to the bowl and fold gently until every piece is completely coated in that spiced yogurt marinade. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the turkey for 1 hour, which gives the yogurt, garlic, and spices time to season the meat all the way through. While the turkey marinates, cut 1 red onion into skewer-sized wedges and cut the 2 red bell peppers into chunky pieces that will grill at the same pace as the turkey. Next, thinly slice the second red onion for the salad, keeping the slices light and delicate. Toss the sliced onion with 1 tablespoon sumac, 1/4 cup chopped flat leaf parsley, and the remaining 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt, then set it aside so the onion softens slightly. When the marinating time is almost done, preheat the cast iron grill pan over medium-high heat for 10 minutes, so it is hot enough to make strong grill marks. Thread the marinated turkey, red bell pepper chunks, and red onion wedges onto 4 flat metal skewers, alternating the pieces and leaving a little space so heat can reach the edges. Brush the hot grill pan with the remaining 1 tablespoon olive oil, using just enough to gloss the ridges and help the turkey release cleanly. Lay the skewers on the grill pan and cook them for 4 minutes without moving them, so the first side can sear and take on char. Turn the skewers and cook the second side for another 4 minutes, letting the peppers blister and the onion edges darken. Continue turning the skewers and grilling for 6 to 8 minutes more, until the turkey is browned on all sides and the center of the largest piece reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the turkey is fully cooked, transfer the skewers to a platter and rest them for 5 minutes, so the juices settle before serving. To close the cooking, spoon the sumac onion salad beside the rested skewers, letting the tangy onions brighten the smoky turkey. And there it is, Turkish grilled turkey Şiş that is juicy, smoky, colorful, and balanced with that tangy sumac onion salad. Serve it hot, and enjoy how much flavor the simple yogurt marinade brings to lean turkey. If you liked this recipe, please like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more home-cooked dishes.